did your last system training look like for access control or video surveillance? A cookie-cutter, pre-canned session that left you overwhelmed and was irrelevant to your application? Could you manage your system better if the training looked like this? Training relevant to your system installed, which provided you actual insight into your configurations and equipment. Modules that clearly defined system responsibilities, so the correct training was assigned to the right person. Other system features were highlighted, which helped to improve your security initiatives and business objectives. Basic troubleshooting was provided that gave you simple fixes for day-to-day operations. At Ivella, we build out a training program to incorporate your security system configurations and nuances. Our goal is to leave you feeling comfortable and confident on how to use your new system. The right equipment choice, the right deployment process, the right business integrations, the right support. Ivella, helping you make better informed security decisions.